Too many lies were told on this floor, Mr. Speaker. Too many lies were told to cabinet, and someone needs to be held accountable. We can't let this go, Mr. Speaker. In 2011, this floor threw out a legitimate prime minister. Nobody got penalized for it. No man, igolo karabus lo des lasu ay come up. People are killing pig now, walking everything is okay. Fast forward to 2014, a brilliant scam came through this country. And now are we going to let people walk away again? How many times are people going to walk away because they're wearing nice suits? They hold a title as member so-and-so, all kanto giaman, people are giving more money, all poroblo benefit, and the people of Papua New Guinea suffer. How long do we allow this to continue?